What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. It's a dry weekend, bank holiday weekend, and I'm out on a cruise. Seen loads of bikes, going up to the local Honda dealer, have a coffee at their coffee shop, and then cruise back across some twisty roads, hopefully is the plan. So stick around for that. It's warm today. I'm in a t-shirt and shorts under my bike gear. It's quite nice. I'm normally having to layer up multiple jackets and jumpers and shit to stay warm, but summer's definitely on the way. It's actually just misted over quite a lot. We've like come up into a low cloud at this higher elevation, but hope you're all doing well. Hope you had a good week. Hope you're having a lovely weekend, or had a lovely weekend by the time this goes out. We're on the AfricaTwin, the CRF 1000, not the 11, and it's the DCT model, if you're not aware, if you're new. If you are, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you know, comment down below, say hello, let me know what you ride, if you ride a bike, or if you're going to get into it, or anything like that, usual stuff. This road's nice and twisty. It's just a little bit busy today because it's the bank holiday. I think everyone's out and about. Yeah, nice bit of road this, I enjoy it a lot. I've even gone for the shorty boots today, like just like basic work boots basically, instead of my long boys, because they'd be too hot. And they're wet from the other day. I did a lot of riding in the rain and they're still a little bit damp, so I thought I'll risk my ankles and my legs. This corner's always a little bit bigger than I anticipate. Gravel there. Woo! Feeling pokey today. Look at that. What a sight. I still can't get over this bike. I don't believe that it's mine. Just can't believe it. I love it so much. So yeah, I put some crash bars on it. I've got some little LEDs down on the crash bars down there. They're like spotlights with a halo ring around them, which is quite nice. Found them on eBay, I think, or Amazon. Yeah, they're not wired in yet. I'm going to wire them into these little tiny spots on my bars. Where are they? One there. That do, they're just like little tiny pointer lights to try and draw more attention to you, I suppose, at night. So I'm going to have that on with the full beam, and then have the halos on their own, I think, is the plan. So yeah, we're taking the nice scenic route today. Enjoying the nice bit of weather we've got. I have no idea what's going on in there. But I'm loving 1000 cc's. It is something else. Obviously this is a twin and it's not an inline 4-hour, it's very different, but I just love it. It runs, it's just so smooth, it's so effortless. It'll do whatever you want it to. It's just so good. There's no limitation on this bike at all in terms of what it can do. Like, it'll do motorway speed and beyond, like for days. And it's so comfortable to ride. And with DCT, it's just literally like, it's like playing a video game. literally like playing a video game, flicking it up and down if you want to, or you can just let it do its thing and it does it perfectly well for you. The sound, it just sounds amazing as well. Oh, that noise of that engine and the exhaust, when you let off it just gargles and gargles for days. This video is going to be me creaming over an Africa Twin for 20 minutes. Did my bike test here. I did part of it on this road. I'll cut you off at the end of this road and then I'll meet you again in the shop when I'm drinking a coffee. Okay boys, we got KTM, a Moto Guzzi and Aprilia. They're all together. Don't you fucking pull out on me. And then along here we've got Honda, Suzuki, Triumph, Yamaha. Place of dreams. Don't really want to park there. Oh, might have to just park next to that one. It's funny, isn't it? So much wider. Jesus. It's the only thing I'd ever upgrade to. Kinda want those gold bars. Oof. Twins. Stick the sunglasses on. What a day to ride, eh? So nice out. Had a good wander around.